Hey guys, long time, long time, long time. I hope you are keeping safe. You're staying at home and keeping safe. Now, today I will be reviewing vSuite, and this is by Yogesh and Venkata Ramana. I want to explain to you what this whole vSuite is all about and if it is really worth for you to buy it. Now, I also have arranged some of the bonuses which I'll be giving you should you take this from my link. Okay, so I want you to make a very educative and a very calculative decision before buying this vSuite. It's a $16.97 as of the beginning, so it's quite a low priced software, and I have gone through the software, and I want you to watch this demo video with me here so that you understand what it is all about. But before we jump into the demo video and show you exactly what vSuite is all about, now some of the bonuses which the vendor is giving, and many affiliates will be giving you these bonuses. I want to give you all of these bonuses should you be getting this from my link. Okay, and they are all here. Okay, there are a lot of bonuses. I don't want to go through them one by one, but they are very good bonuses. No, many of them are just softwares which you will use. Now, one thing I want you to understand, and I also understand, is that not everything which is a bonus you will use it. So what does this vSuite do? It does ranking. What have I done? I have created for you a whole program, a whole course, okay, which has more than 20 videos. I'm showing you exactly how I do a launch, like, how do I create a video like the one you are seeing, how do I rank it, and how do I make commissions. Because definitely, yeah, you know it and I know it, that if you buy this video from my if you buy this vSuite from my link, then I will get paid a commission, and on all this I get paid 50% commission. So it's a really good commission. Now, if you are just a newcomer and you don't know how to make money with this kind of affiliate marketing, then it will be very difficult for you to get approved to products and all this kind of thing. So that is why I have given you a full blown training, which I actually sell it for $97, but I will give you for free if you are getting any of the if you're getting this front end product. Now, if you decide to get a back end, any of the upsell, if you decide to get any of the upsell, which I will be discussing with you, then I will give you a coaching. I will take my 1 hour and then sit with you on Zoom and answer all your questions which you have and coach you to make money. The other thing which I will give you is a case study whereby you will see how $2,000 are made in one day on free traffic with Facebook. Okay, so I'll be giving you that case study, and this is something which you will enjoy. So yes, I believe bonuses are good, but I don't want to overwhelm you with a lot of bonuses such that the whole point of buying this vSuite is out of the question. Now, the bonuses which I'm giving you are already worth so much money, which is $97, and the $2,000 case study is actually so much worth, and it is workable even in today's situation. You will be able to work with it. You will be able to generate money. With my training, you will be able to rank videos. You will be able to create videos. You will be able also to rank videos which are here. Now, vSuite is a full-blown course, okay, full-blown application, whereby it's a cloud-based application. It lets you use the live view of YouTube, and then that one makes your video rank higher. It also shows you all the competitors, what the competitors are doing, and all these things. Let me just take you to the demo so that you can see exactly what happens, and then I will talk to you after that. So let's watch this demo.
This is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to show you a complete demo of our brand new software vSuite. So once you log in, you will see this screen. This is our dashboard, and here you can get complete overview of our system, like how many events created, how many scheduled, how many YouTube accounts you have that are active, and how many events have errored. And along with that, you will also get all the media information, like how many images you have in our system, how many videos, and how many videos has been created, and how many of them are like green screen videos, and how many YouTube downloads have been done so far. So this is all about dashboard. And now let me show you how our video creator works. So here you need to go to video lab, and in video lab you will get this result. So here you can configure all the option for video. For example, you can enter a title, and then you can either choose your own file or else use images to create video. So for example, if you want to use images, let me just pull up some images from Pixabay. So to use these images, you just need to select this and then click on done. That's it. So now we'll be creating a video with these three images. Okay, and if it's a green screen video, you just need to click on this button. So this is the first step. Second step is the audio section, where you can browse an audio file which will be used as an audio in the video, and you can select one background audio as well. So here let me select the audio file. So this is my audio file. I'm just clicking on next. So here you can select a background. For example, if it's a green screen video, then this background is required, or else you can just skip this step. Click on next step, and here you need to configure your watermark, lower third, and the text on it if you want. Okay, so to configure a lower third, you can either use your own or else you can use our inbuilt lower third. And next comes the watermark, and then the last thing is the text. Here, whatever text you type, it will be printed on top of your lower third. And then once you click on submit, the system will take a couple of minutes to render the video, and once it's done, you will be notified. So that is how our video creator works. Now let's go to live streaming. Here first you need to add accounts, and once you add account, that is your YouTube account, you can easily set up live streaming. So for live streaming, all you need to do is to create the event, and our system will take care of the rest. So I'll just put some keyword here, for example plumbers, and then I'll click on find. Here if you see, we are like creating highly optimized titles for our events. For example, best plumbers review, best plumbers review, and bonus. So if you want to use a product name, it will be a perfect thing here. So we already have some prefix and suffix. You can always edit or remove them by clicking on this button. And once you do your configuration, that is selecting a video thumbnail and then account, all you need to do is select this and then click on submit. Obviously, like, you need to set up the scheduling options, which you can do below here. So once you have done this, all you need to do is click on submit. Once you click that, it will create event. And now if you don't want to create an event, you just want to do a normal upload, then you need to click on this button. So this is all about live streaming part, where you can easily rank a video. And now let's go to video research part. Here you need to give a keyword. So let me type as iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this will take couple of minutes to load the results as we are getting. These are the videos that you can actually use, and use these information for your research. That is, you can get all the information over that particular video when you click on details, and when you click on here, it will just open a new tab and you can see this particular video directly in YouTube. And using this you can do your research, and this is all about the research part in YouTube. And now we will see how we can download a video from YouTube. And then to do that, you just need to enter a keyword here. I'll just enter as iPhone, click on find. Now this will take a couple of minutes. So now we got the videos here. Remember guys, this will only show Creative Commons videos only. Now this particular video will download into your machine, and then you can either upload or you can use it directly. Or else, if you want to do some operations on it, you just need to select that particular videos, and here you can select the option what you want to do, merged, and then a download link will be created. And here this option will allow you to merge multiple videos and then add a watermark, because sometimes system doesn't, where you can easily create posts in your Twitter and Tumblr account. All you need to do is to
So guys, I want to pause here and I just want to show you that when you do this, okay, what is happening is you are creating backlinks, and these backlinks are important for videos. So that is what this guy is showing us here. Now I have forwarded some of the parts which are not important so that you don't get bored, okay?
post it and the system will do everything. So in this page you can add the account, and in the add campaign page you can actually add a campaign, that is like you need to give a name, URL.
So basically, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but this whole different things were being done by different applications. Now vSuite is combined, okay? It lets you create videos, it lets you create backlinks, it lets you analyze other videos, which are the competitors and all that good stuff. So that is what vSuite is all about. Let's go and look at what the vSuite upsells and downsells and all that stuff is, so that you can make decision here. So the front end will be $16, and it's a limited version, okay? It's not, it has some restrictions, and then there is an upsell, which is an unlimited edition, and then there is an automation edition, which is OTO2, and then there is vSuite done for you traffic, whereby all the traffics are done for you, and you just get customers, okay? And vSuite OTO4 suite reseller. If you want to sell all this as yours, then you can sell it for $39. And I mean, you can buy it for $39 and sell it at 100%. And vSuite luxury, where your customer, that is you, if you buy, the customers experience an individual custom funnel setup experience. We actually set up your funnel hosting with all this, not only in the funnel completely set up for them, but we also include the autoresponder integration and all that cool stuff. So guys, I just want to give you a final thing here, okay? Now all these upsells, they have a downsell. So don't take the upsell, you can easily get the downsell. Like for example, done for you traffic, there's a done for you traffic light, which is $67 if you don't want the $197. The reseller, there is reseller 39, there is reseller 34. Okay, luxury, there is luxury 197, there is luxury 87. Ultimate, and all this is the same thing, okay? So guys, as you can see, I want to try and save you some money. I believe this you have understood, and what is this vSuite is all about. You know the bonuses. Now guys, if you have clicked other links, then please clear the cookies so that you can be able to give me commission if you want to buy from me, okay? Otherwise, that's it. My bonuses, you need to contact me. Just below I have given you all my contacts. Contact me, and some of the bonuses will be directly inside the Warrior Plus, so you don't need to worry. Yeah, you'll always find them in your link and you will be fine, okay? Otherwise, I will talk to you in the next review. Thank you guys.